Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an online store with Google Sites in 2024. Today we're going to show you how to create an online store using Google Sites. Google Sites is a free and easy to use platform that allows you to build a professional website with no coding required. And even as an example, if it's required coding to add some things, you can use a lot of AI tools like ChatGPT and etc. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And you can start by setting up your Google account. First, make sure you have a Google account. And if you don't have one, you can go to google.com and sign up. And once you have an account, you can go to Google Sites by simply visiting. So go to this URL section. You can go and type sites.google.com. For me, I already have an account on Google, so I don't have to go and create one. But for you, make sure to do and create one if you don't have one already. So as you can see, once you go to sites.google.com, as you can see, for me, I have no sites at the moment. You can start by creating a blank site or choose one of the template that you have. As you can see, if you go here and click on this gallery template, they'll give you a lot of template like personal, work, small business, wedding as example, education, depending on whatever you want as an example. You can simply hide all templates here if you don't want to. So if you want to show it again, so you can just go here, settings, and always display like that, and as you can see, you'll be able to find it here. So as an example, as I said before, you can start from blank site. So if you click on it, as you can see, you can start from it. So just skip this tour. But for me, as an example, I'll not start from blank site. Why? Because it's a bit hard to start from blank, especially if you're a beginner on that. So as an example, I'll just go here and look for maybe small business or education. Why not? And or maybe small business. So I'm not sure what should I start with, but I'll just go and start with a restaurant as example. I'll just go here and click on this restaurant template, and as you can see, I have a whole template here. We can start now once we choose the template by customizing our site. It's time to customize the site. You can change its text, images, layout to match your brand. Start with the homepage as example, which is the first page, and you can start by adding your store name as example. For me, I'll just name it Omix at the moment, and of course you can add like other than name, you can add a logo to it and add a brief description to what you sell as example. You can use some high or you should not or you should not you should use some high quality images to make your site look professional. So example here, I'll have to add some logos example. So here you can just hover this area, go and click on add a logo. You can go and navigate something or brand image. So for me, I'll just go and upload a picture as a logo. And about this, so let me just go back about this favicon. What's favicon? Favicon is just the image that will look here as example once someone open your site. So this is a favicon. As example, if I open google.com, the favicon of google.com is this. If I open Instagram as example, the favicon of Instagram is this small photo in here, which is you can call a logo. So as example, if I go here and upload a favicon as example, so yeah, the favicon is uploaded. You can select a color to use for this theme as example. So for me, I'll choose this one. Looks good. Yeah. So here you can edit the header type. Do you want it to be a cover? Do you want it to be a large banner, or just a banner, or title only? As example, for me, I'll just choose a banner. So here you have access to pages, home, contact us page, chef as example, because I choose a restaurant, and even menu. So for me, as we said, we can start by editing or customizing the home page. So as we said here, you can just go, and so for me, I'm choosing like you can choose or customize whatever you want from the buttons here of the reservation, like how it should be aligned and etc. So I'll just go and choose that. Yeah, reservation, it can be good. Maybe as example, no, I'll let it, yeah, fill this good. So other than that, yeah, here you can fill, of course, description. As you can see, write a short tagline about your restaurant or description. So make sure to write small like description that will describe basically your restaurant, or maybe if you have a slogan, you can simply add it there instead of a brief description. So example, maybe eats so maybe eats sorry maybe eats like here, and I don't know, and leave happy or something like that. I don't know. I just a random thing that he just created. So just a small slogan maybe, or you can enter a brief description for you what you sell, etc. Like maybe good quality, so good food. Good food, and maybe happy, like smile. I don't know. Maybe just add whatever you want in there. And here, as you can see, you can start editing your homepage and changing the pictures. As I said, make sure to use some high quality images. Other than that, you can start creating some pages to your products. To do this, of course, you can go here to pages. So for me, at the moment, I have 4 pages. Maybe as example, I don't like the shift page, so I'll just go and delete it. Okay, I'll let the menu page, I'll like the contact us page, or maybe I'll just even remove this contact because maybe I don't have a place. I just have a digital like store, and I maybe cook at my home and ship to others. I just do delivery maybe. So yeah, maybe here. So to pages, I'll just go and click on add a new page. You can add a full embedded page as an example. You can name it whatever you want. Maybe I'll just name it this here. And you can start by adding embed or from drive, as you can see. Or you can simply add a menu section, or add like a new link, or basically add a normal new page where you should be able to add whatever you want on it, as an example, as you can see in here. So other than that, if you add a new page, if you go here to advanced, it's just you can add a custom path to it if you want to. So other than add a new page, maybe you can add a shopping cart if you are going to do like the shipping. And also in here you can add this. And of course, if you go back in here, as example, when you edit everything that you want and everything looks good, of course, you added everything as it should. As an example, you can add a lot of things in here. So you have access to a lot of things, pages, themes, as an example, inserts, a lot of things here. If you go to settings, you'll be able to change the settings. As an example, if you have a custom domain, you can simply have that. You can connect to Google Analytics or something like that. You can enable it to see if it's working, if everything like working as intended, and etc. As you can see here, people have access to your pages right away from menu to home, etc. And of course, you can start setting up maybe like some payments options if you have like a store in here. You'll be able to do that as an example. And yeah, basically, once you finish all of that, you can start publishing your site. So if you go here to click on publish, as you can see, you can use a custom domain name, or simply I'll just go here and type Omix. As you can see, that's great, but it's already taken. So I'll just do a double X maybe. Yeah, so it's not taken, as you can see. But your domain name, when you publish it, it will be sites.google.com/view/omix. But you can, of course, add a custom domain if you have one already. You can click here on manage, connect to that custom domain, and you'll be able to publish it on that custom domain. Click on publish, and your site should be published without any problem. So you can click on view, it's all open in a new tab, and you'll be able to see it. You'll be able even to share it with others. So for example, I did not like edit anything in this menu tab, that's why it shows like a problem. And yeah, that's it. So for you, you edit your site however you want. Once you publish it, promote it. You promote your online store wherever you want on your social media. Example, you can use even relevant hashtags for it, and etc. You can consider running Google ads or social media ads to reach a larger audience. And yeah, so that's going to be it for me today. Of course, if you go back here, you can create a lot of other sites, not just one. You can delete the sites if you don't want to have it. You can open it to your tab, you can rename it, do whatever you want. So yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.